Hi all, so I started my YouTube channel back up and then we get the lockdown. So what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks is just set up a few perches around the garden and we're getting some, doing a bit of bird photography. I've just put a simple camo net up because my garden's very small and I'm pretty close to the perches. So I'll show you what I've got so far.